Isang gagandang araw mga foodies! Tada! Welcome to Vikings BF Paranaque. So, dahil birthday ko, we'll go on a birthday buffet. So, eto yung loob ng resto. And then, let's start eating na. Food plate number 1. Chicken feet for collagen and pickled ginger for the throat. Plate 2 is Evi Tempura and California Maki. Food plate 3 are the desserts. We have the donut, the mini cakes, and the strawberry pink something.
So, doon magre-refill pa. Anong kaya itong pasta?
Sobrang haba ng pila sa Evi Tempura, so you need to savor every bite. Now we're trying on the California Maki. Kala mo naman pro mag-chopstick. Eto na yung donut. It looked enticing pero hindi siya masarap. Eto din, hindi masyadong masarap at sobrang dami ng cream. Hindi bagay sa diet pero if meron kang sweet tooth, laban na. And then this one, madami yung cream so half lang ng cake yung tinake ko. At masarap naman siya kung ganun lang kaliit. For the birthday song na. That would be all. I hope nag-enjoy kayo. Syempre, may senior citizen discount and birthday discount. Ta-ta!